Today, we're taking an exclusive tour of the 2027 Jayco Redhawk SE Class C motorhome. Finished in a stunning vibrant white with bold black accents and showcased here with a rugged long body 6x6 style appearance. This affordable adventure machine starts at $123,068. Let's see why this motorhome is creating so much excitement. Exterior front view. Standing proudly in the Jayco showroom, the Redhawk SE immediately grabs attention. The bold Jayco logo, aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and clean white and black paint give it a premium look. Built on your choice of the Ford E350 or Chevrolet 4500 chassis, it promises strength, confidence, and comfort for every journey. Top side view. From above, you'll notice how intelligently everything is arranged. The roof features an optional 200-watt solar panel, rooftop air conditioning unit, TV antenna, and a fully walkable roof for easy maintenance. This smart layout keeps you powered during off-grid adventures while making ownership much more convenient. Rear view. The rear of the Redhawk SE is designed for adventure. A carefully mounted spare tire and bike carrier leave plenty of room for your outdoor gear. The strong rear ladder provides safe access to the roof, while the clean design makes loading and unloading equipment simple before every trip. Side view. Moving to the side, the large power awning instantly transforms your campsite into a relaxing outdoor living area. Place a few chairs underneath, and you're ready to enjoy nature. Multiple exterior storage compartments provide plenty of room for camping equipment, luggage, and travel essentials. Driving compartment. Inside the cockpit, everything is designed with the driver in mind. Comfortable captain's chairs, a modern dashboard, easy-to-read controls, and dual display screens, including one dedicated to the rear-view camera, improve visibility and confidence. Rubber isolation mounts help reduce road noise and vibrations, creating a much smoother drive. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the cockpit, you'll find a surprisingly spacious living area. The comfortable sofa easily converts into a bed, creating extra sleeping space for family or guests. Large windows fill the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel bright, welcoming, and perfect for relaxing after a day of exploring. Kitchen. The compact kitchen is packed with practical features. You'll find a sink, microwave, cooktop, refrigerator, overhead cabinets, and generous counter space. A nearby dining area keeps everything within easy reach, making meal preparation quick and enjoyable whether you're parked at a campground or camping off-grid. Washroom. Despite its compact footprint, the Redhawk SE includes a fully functional bathroom. It features a toilet, sink, mirror, storage cabinet, and a comfortable shower. A full-house water filtration system delivers cleaner water throughout the coach, adding extra convenience wherever your travels take you. The 2027 Jayco Redhawk SE proves you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy premium RV living. With smart features, reliable construction, solar capability, a 4,000-watt generator, and a starting price of $123,068, it's an excellent value for new and experienced travelers alike. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.